Good morning children, welcome to English class. In last class we have started our second lesson. Yes or no children? Yes, we have completed PEP activity also in that. Okay, today we are going with the poem explanation part children. So everyone open your studio page 18. Okay, open studio page 18 children. There you are having the poem. Let's read one by one stanza. First stanza I am reading children. See, everyone keep the finger on the book and follow me. I am reading. See. Mother gives me love and care. Father shows me how to fare. Friends give me joy and fun. Uncle brings me toys that run. Okay, in first line what they are telling children? Mother gives us what? Love. Yes or no? Mother will show us so much of love and she will take care of us. Yes, and father shows how to fare. Fare means what children? Live or survive. Okay, that means what father will do? Father will show us how to live and what education we should take and what job we should take. Okay, he will show us how to live. Okay, that means father shows me how to fare and friends give me joy and fun. What friends give us children? Friends gives us joy and fun. Okay, that means we will play. Joy means happy children. Joy means happy. When we play with our friends, when we eat, when we share something with our friends, we will be very happy. Yes or no? So, by friends, what we are getting? We are getting joy. At the same time, friends will make fun with us. Yes or no? We will also make fun with us, with them. Okay? By that, we will have the fun also with friends. When we play, when we dance or when we play some games. Okay? What we will have? We will have fun. Okay? That means what friends are giving children? Joy and fun. And uncle brings me toys that run. What uncle brings us children? What our relatives will bring when they are coming to our house? They'll bring so many toys. Yes or no? Yes, and that toys, remote or battery with battery, it will we can operate that toys. Okay, then it will move, it will walk, and it will run also. Yes or no? Yes, uncle brings me toys that run. Okay, next children, second stanza. Granny tells me tales at night. Brother shares his bike and kite. Sister plays some tricks that please. Teachers help me learn with ease. Okay, first line, see children, granny tells me tales at night. What granny will tell us at night children? Yes, tales. Tales meaning is story children. T-A-L-E. Tale. Tale means story. Granny will tell us what? Stories at night. And brother shares his bike and kite. What the toys he is having, what are the things he is having, he will share with us. Yes or no, brothers? Yes? Yes. Here brother is sharing bike and kite also. Okay, next. Sister plays some tricks that please. Okay, if you have sister or if you are a sister to your brother, okay, what you will do? You will play some tricks. If you want something or if you want to something to do, what you will do? You will cry or you will do some actions or you will play some tricks. Okay, that tricks will please a lot. Yes, it will works a lot because you will make the tricks like that. Okay, like that sister, what she will do? She will do some tricks. Okay, those tricks will please. And teachers help me learn with ease. What teachers will do children? Okay, teachers will not teach everything. You know how to read the textbook, for example. But what teacher will do? She will help you. How to read that very easily. How to get that very easily. Teachers will help you. Like that all teachers will help you to learn easily. Anything, not only English, not only maths, all subjects, all things. Okay, what teacher will do? She will help us how to learn very easily. And coming to third stanza, children, I'm the happiest you can see to have them all here with me. So thank you all for being there for me. I am grateful for all that you do for me. Okay, in last stanza, what the poet is telling, I am the happiest, not happy, happier, happiest. Happiest means very happy. Why? You can see me. I am very happy. Why I am happy? Because I am having these many people in my life. Okay, to have all them here with me. ఓకే, వీళ్ళందరూ నా దగ్గర ఉన్నారు, నా కోసం ఉన్నారు, కాబట్టి నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను అని చెప్తున్నారు అనమాట. అండ్ సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ దేర్ ఫర్ మీ. అండ్ హీ ఈస్ సేయింగ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఆల్ దీస్ మెంబర్స్. యూ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ దోస్ హు ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ సో థ్యాంక్ఫుల్. వై? బికాస్ యూ ఆల్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫర్ మీ. నా కోసం మీరందరూ ఉన్నారు. ఎవరెవరు? మదర్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఫర్ అస్, అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఫర్ మీ ఓన్లీ, అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్, బ్రదర్, సిస్టర్, టీచర్స్, granny, all are there for me only, for make me to happy. Yes or no? So I am so thankful for you, and I am grateful for all that you do for me. I am grateful for all that you do for me. Grateful means what? Thankful. I am very thankful. Why I am thankful? Because all these things you do for me. ఇదంతా మీరు నా కోసం చేస్తున్నారు, నన్ను హ్యాపీగా ఉంచడానికి నాకు కావాల్సినవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు, కాబట్టి నేను మీకు ఎప్పుడు థ్యాంక్ఫుల్గా ఉంటాను అని చెప్తున్నారు అనమాట. అండ్ వీ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ పీపుల్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చిల్డ్రన్? సో వీ ఆల్సో షుడ్ బి వెరీ thankful to our mother, father, friends, granny, uncle, relatives, teachers, brothers, sisters. For all these people we should be very thankful all the time. Okay, like this we have the poem, children, 3 stanzas, and the meaning of 3 stanzas is like this. Okay, and I am not giving any homework, children, because today afternoon also you are having exam, right? So I am not giving any homework, and let's have the hard words in next class, children. Okay, I'll give the hard words in next class. Meanwhile, I'll read this poem once again. Listen carefully, keep the finger, and try to understand the poem clearly. See, mother gives me love and care, father shows me how to fare, friends give me joy and fun, uncle brings me toys that run, granny tells me tales at night, brother shares his bike and kite, sister plays some tricks that please, teachers help me learn with ease. I'm the happiest you can see to have them all here with me. So thank you all for being there for me. I am grateful for all that you do for me. Okay, this is the poem, children. Listen once again and get the clarity and understand clearly, and prepare well for your exam, children. And tomorrow let's have the hard words. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice day.